Yeah, question 11. Use matrix to solve pair of simultaneous equations. And we have the equation as follows: 3x plus 6y equal to 60, 5x minus 6y equal to minus 44. So let's see what we do. The step 1 to this question solution is to write this simultaneous equation in matrix form. And how do we do that? We are going to write the coefficients of x and y. So that will be 3, 6. The second one, 5 minus 6. Then that's your matrix. Then the variable, which is x and y, then you put it by the side, x, y, equal to, what do you have here? The constant, 60. What do you have here? Minus 44. So we have succeeded to write in matrix form. Okay? And let me repeat that. So we now have 3, 6, 5, minus 6. Okay? Equal to 60 minus 44. So this is what we have now. So it's now in matrix form now. So this is your row 1. The first one, this one is row 1, this is row 2, column 1, column 2. Okay? Then this implies this can be written as what? A. This one is your A, and this is your B. So we can write this now. We can write this: x is equal to A inverse times B. So, and this is what we're going to use to solve that. We're going to write, so this expression, you can write it in this form. As if you're making this one, this matrix, this column matrix as a subject, which represent this letter, okay? And this one varied by what? Varied by A, okay? That's why we have the A to power minus 1, okay? So what this means is B over A, okay? So what we now do now is for us to find the A inverse times B. Then let's get the A inverse. A inverse is equal to what? I've told us that 1 over determinants, 1 over determinant of A, then the matrix. What do we have here? We have minus 6 here. Move it up. Minus 6. Move this 3 down. That's a 3. Okay, what do we have here? Times minus, times minus. Minus 5. Minus what? Minus 6. Let me repeat that again. What we have here? Raise it up. Let it replace the 3 here. And the 3 here, let it replace what? The minus 6 here. And that's what we have done there. And then this one, just times this one by minus 1 times minus 1. So let's get the determinant of A. For 2 by 2, A determinant 36, 5 minus 6. So this is a symbol for determinants. Okay, and that will be this one times this one. That's a minus 18. And minus this one times this one, minus 30. So that's what? Minus 48. So that's the determinant for A. So we now have this that represents xy, okay, is now equal to, let's do the expansion. Equal to 1 over minus 48 times minus 6, minus 5, 3, and then times the C. Our C is what? Times the times B. That's 60 minus 44. 60 minus 44. So let's now do the multiplication. So this will become minus 1 over 48 into bracket. I told us that when you're multiplying matrices, this one times this one, the row times the column. So minus 6 times 60, minus 6 times 60 plus minus 6 times what? Times minus 44. Then do the same thing for this one also. Minus 5 times 60, then plus 3 times what? Minus 44. Okay? So, and that will be equal to what? Minus 1 over 48 into brackets. This one, minus 6 times 60, that's minus 360. Minus 360 plus 6 times 44. That's minus 96. Okay, minus 96. Then the second one, minus 5 times this one, that's a minus 300. 3 times minus 44, that's minus 3 times 44. That's minus 432. So that's what we have now. So which imply now we now have this symbol, which imply a column matrix of this equal to. We are going to divide each one here by this 48. So minus times this become plus. So that's 96 over 48. That's 2. That's 2. We have 2. And then minus 342 times minus 1 minus 1 over 48. Minus 342 times minus 1 over 48. So that will be, so that's 9. So that's 9. So this implies that our x is what? 2 and our y is what?